Hello everyone, my name is Salma, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some websites that I used myself to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I'm going to put them into two categories, free websites and paid websites. So in no particular order, I'm going to start with the free websites and I'm going to start with the Khan Academy website. So in this platform you can find many subjects actually if your goal is to work on other subjects than coding, but for me I use this platform to work on my JavaScript skills and learn JavaScript more. So as you can see, this is the website and these are the courses I am enrolled in. So of course there are so many courses. You can just check them here by clicking on this tab, courses, and as you can see, so there are so many courses in math, high school and college, science, arts and humanities, reading and languages, arts. So you have just so many courses in economics, also life skills. But let's just have a look at the courses I am enrolled in. So as you can see, there is here the intro to JS, drawing and animation, intro to HTML, CSS, intro to SQL, advanced JS and advanced JS part 2. So here, for example, in this first course, intro to JS, I learned how to draw in the canvas elements of HTML and animate the drawings. It is really a good start if you want to learn how to create games, because if you want to create games, you gotta know how to use the canvas elements very well and animate your drawings. And Khan Academy are very good at that because they explain everything in such a simple way, and even you can practice inside of their editor directly and see the results. Like here, for example, let's just have a look at this course. So as you can see, there are so many lessons, and let's just take a lesson as an example. Let's just, for example, grab this one, coloring with code. So you have a lesson that is presented as a video. Like, I'm gonna just click on play here.
I'd like to introduce you to my good friend Winston. He's a bit sad today because he's been drawn in black and white.
And you see, so this is the lesson. It is presented like this in Khan Academy, and after that you have the exercise. And for example, you can just practice the exercise right here in this editor and see the results directly here on the right corner. Like for example, let's just change this one and like put, for example, just 22 instead of 200. So you see, you can see the results instantly in the right corner. So they have a very easy and friendly interface, and to be honest, I liked this website a lot because I felt that there have been so much work put into it to make things easy for us. Website number 2, EDX. So this website is just like a library. You can find anything in there. Any subjects you want to learn about, you can find it in this platform. So I used this platform to learn a little bit of HTML and JavaScript, but of course you can use it also if you are interested to learn other languages like Java, PHP, Python, or any other subject like economics, maths, if you're interested in maths. Okay? So just bear in mind that the courses in this platform are made by the most famous and big universities and companies like Harvard, Oxford, IBM, Microsoft also. And these courses and lessons are given by experts from these big companies and universities. So the website looks like this. And just to tell you something, you can enroll in any course you want for free and have access to the whole course for free also. The only thing that you have to pay for is the certificate. If your goal is to get a certificate or a degree by the end of the course, then you have to pay for the certificate, and depending on the type of the course, of course, the price can vary. Like for example here, let's say that you want to enroll in a CSS course. And by the way, to look for any course you are interested in, all you have to do is to click on this tab, which is courses, and as you can see, you have all these courses that are available for you. Alright, so let's look for a CSS course. Let's type CSS here and then click on search. And so we have so many courses here, like front-end developer, which is a W3 school course. We have also the full stack cloud developer, which is IBM's course, and cloud application development, which is IBM course also. And we have another IBM course about HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript, and a bunch of other courses also. So all you have to do is, like, for example, let's click on one of these courses. Let's click on this one, for example. And as you can see here, there are some information that are available for you about the course. They tell you that this course is a self-paced one and that the session starts in May 15th, which means today, and ends in June 30th. Okay? And you have here the information about the number of students who have already joined the course. And if you are interested in the certificates, then a little bit down here, as you can see, we have professional certificates in Cloud Application Development Foundations and professional certificates in Full Stack Cloud Developer. So if you are interested in one of these, all you have to do is to click on one of these like this, and then you have here the price of the certificate if you want to have one, and they tell you that it's gonna take 5 months, 2 to 3 hours per week. And what you're going to learn is these lessons: Introduction to Cloud Computing, Introduction to Cloud Development with HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. But of course you can access all these lessons for free, and all you have to pay for is the certificate. So this website was so useful for me because there was this diversity of courses. I did not have one course to stick to and follow from A to Z, but as you can see, there are many courses made by experts and very well explained and organized. Website number 3, W3 School's website. I like this website very much because it is a very well structured website. You can find anything you want to learn in there, any language you want to learn: PHP, Python, C++, C#, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. And what I like the most about this website is that they have all kinds of courses from beginners to advanced. You can look here on their website. They have the basics of JavaScript. They have also the basics of HTML and CSS. Of course, if you check these tabs here, CSS and HTML, but they have also the advanced notions and lessons. Like for example here, a little bit down, you're gonna find HTML DOM and Ajax and JSON and web APIs, and these are advanced lessons in JavaScript. So they have also exercises and quiz and tests to do. You can have access to them by the end of some lessons, or you can check them by clicking on the left corner, like here, right here. So you have exercises, quiz, and also certificates if you want to get one. Website number 4, Freecodecamp. I highly recommend this website for beginners to learn the basics of CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. Of course, this website is not only for beginners, it is also for people who have the advanced level. But if you are a beginner, and especially if this is your first time in coding, I do highly recommend this website because the lessons in there are really very simple and are broken down into simple steps to follow. So let's have a look at the website. So this is the website. And to get started, so we're gonna just click on the Get Started here. And as you can see, there are so many courses. There is this one, Responsive Web Design Certification, and it lasts 300 hours. There is this one, JavaScript Algorithms, and it lasts also 300 hours. Front-end Development Libraries, Data Visualization Certification, APIs, etc., etc. Personally, I checked the JavaScript algorithm and data structures, and I learned a lot from the courses in this section. So, as you can see here, all the lessons that are ticked means that they are done. So I did all this, okay? And you have an exercise to do in each lesson. Like, let's take this, for example, lesson as an example. So here you have the lesson that is explained. So as you can see, that does not take too much to read and understand. And they give you an example, okay, of how to apply what they have just explained in this section. And after that, you have the exercise that is right here. And to do the exercise, you can do it directly here in this editor and see the results instantly. And in this section below, you have some instructions to follow in case if you find the exercise a little bit difficult. And if you are really stuck, so you can get help by clicking here, get help. So you can either get a hint or watch a video or ask for help. And they have also the coding interview preparation course that is just here down below. Coding interview preparation, thousands of hours of challenges. So in case if your goal is to become a software engineer one day, they have many questions and exercises that can help you prepare for your job interview. And now let's move to the paid website. And to be honest, I only just have one website for you guys because I did not use a lot of paid websites to learn HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Most of the time I use only free websites plus YouTube, of course. And for the paid websites, the only website that I've used is Udemy platform. I think that you guys might know this platform. It is a very known one. And in there you can find also, by the way, free courses and free lessons. But my opinion is that these free courses and these free lessons are not that complete and they lack a lot of explanation. But on the other hand, the paid courses and the paid lessons are very well done. They are very well structured and the instructors in there are very knowledgeable. They know what they're doing and they explain things in such a simple way. And you can interact with your instructor. Like in case if you did not understand something, you can just drop them a message or an email and they answer you and make sure that you understand everything. And also you can interact with the community in there and ask them questions and compare your answers and what you have understand with the other people from this community. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description below in case if you wanna guys check these websites. And if you have any other websites or if you know any other websites that are so important and that can be useful for our community, so don't hesitate to share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget also to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share my videos and hit the notification bell to receive all of my notifications and videos.